Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can set up our Office 365 E5 Enterprise trial tenant and how we can create a new user and assign license to user. In lab exercise, we will set up trial tenant of Microsoft Office 365 E5. I have searched Office 365 E5 plan. Now click on the very first link. Now I'll choose free trial. Now we have to enter our work or school email address. I have entered my email address. Then I'll choose next. Now I'll choose setup account. Now we have to fill this form according to our information. I have filled this form as per my requirement. Now I'll choose next. Here we have to verify our phone number. Just verify your phone number here. Phone number verification has been completed successfully. Now we have to enter our business domain name here. I have entered my business domain. I'll choose check availability. My business domain is available. Then I'll choose next. Now we have to enter our username and password here, which is referred to as a global administrator account for the Office 365 tenant. This account has privileges access across all over the core components to include SharePoint, Skype for Business, and Exchange Online. So now we have to enter our username and password here. I have entered my username and password. Then I'll choose sign up. We have successfully subscribed for Office 365 E5 trial tenant. Now I'll choose manage your subscription. We have successfully logged into Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Now I'll click on Show All. I'll choose Settings and then Domains. We can see here our test domain name, which I use for demo purpose, and on Microsoft.com domain, which is our default domain name. In the next videos, we will learn how we can add our company custom domain. Now we will create a new user select users, click on active users, click on add a user. Now enter your basic information of your user according to your requirement. I have entered my user basic information here. I'll choose next. Here's the option to create a user without license or with license. So I'll go with license. Click next. Now here's the optional settings. If you want to assign any administration roles to your user, then you can assign admin roles to your users. Otherwise, you can leave as it is. Click on next. Click on finish. User has been created successfully. Click on close. You can see this is our new user. Here is the quick summary of what we have learned in this video. We have successfully set up the Office 365 E5 trial tenant, and we have also learned how to create a new user and assign license to user. In the next video, we will learn how we can add our custom domain and how we can add DNS records for Microsoft services like Exchange Online.